How to fix Roblox game client has stopped working issue. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the procedure on how you can fix your Roblox game client has stopped working. What you can do is you can try updating your application. For that case, go ahead and head over to your Play Store, type in Roblox, and here instead of play, if you see update, then go ahead and press on it, and updating your application can fix the issue. However, if the issue still persists on, then you can also go ahead and try checking your internet connection. Sometimes poor unstable internet connection can be one of the major issues. You can try switching over to Wi-Fi as well as to a mobile data, and that should be able to fix your issue. However, if the issue still persists on, then you can also try clearing your cache as well as data. Long press on the Roblox app and go to app info page. Here, go to storage and cache, and here go ahead and click on clear cache. And if you're sure about it, then you could also go ahead and press on clear storage. But this is going to log you out of all your account, and there is high chances that your data will be deleted. And if the issue still persists, try restarting your device and at the same time reinstalling your Roblox application, and that should be able to fix the issue all at once. So in this way, you can fix your Roblox game client stop working issue on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.